After the successful victory of Congress in Telangana, where it won 64 seats in the recent assembly elections, Anumula Revanth Reddy took oath as the Chief Minister of Telangana on December 7th, and now the list of portfolios for the ministers has been announced. Here is the list. Anumula Revanth Reddy has got the portfolio of Municipal Administration and Urban Development, General Administration, Law and Order, and all other unallocated portfolio. Bhatti Vikramarka Mallu as the Finance and Planning Energy Minister. Nalmada Uttam Kumar Reddy as Irrigation and CAD Food and Civil Supplies Minister. C. Damodar Rajan Narsimha as Health, Medical and Family Welfare, Science and Technology Minister. Komati Reddy Venkat Reddy as the Roads and Buildings and Cinematography Minister. Dudila Sridhar Babu as Information Technology, Electronics and Communications, Industries and Commerce and Legislative Affairs Minister. Ponguleti Srinivas Reddy as Revenue and Housing, Information and Public Relations Minister. Ponam Prabhakar as Transport and BC Welfare Minister. Konda Surekha as Environment and Forest and Endowment Minister. D. Anasuya Sithaka as Panchayat Raj and Rural Development and Women and Child Welfare Minister. Tumala Nageshwara Rao as Agriculture, Marketing, Corporation and Handlooms and Textiles Minister. Juppali Krishna Rao as Prohibition and Excise, Tourism and Culture and Archaeology Minister.